the two hardest hitters in this class, and the Thompson boys got, which is nobody's surprise here, the way they were going at it. All right, here's the